Congratulations on your purchase of the ZStream Box. The ZStream Box is truly your gateway to the exciting world of online streaming, and in your hands, you hold the key to unlocking a vast new realm of online entertainment. There are endless possibilities with what you'll discover using your ZStream Box, so let's get started. When you unpack your ZStream Box, you'll find it comes with everything you need to get started. A multi-featured remote, an HDMI cable for most standard hookups, an RCA cable for older systems and custom connections, an AC power supply, and the ZStream Box itself. The ZStream Box has a number of connections to make it easy to hook up your box in a variety of ways. On the back, you'll find an AC jack for the power supply, RCA video and audio jacks, an optical port for high-quality audio system connections, a reset button, an HDMI port to connect to an HDMI-capable TV or monitor, an internet cable connection, and a pair of Wi-Fi antennas. On the side of the box are 4 USB ports for adding various USB devices, such as an external USB drive or a webcam. There's also an SD card reader, so you can import files like your pictures and music directly into your ZStream Box and onto your TV. So now you're all set. With your TV or monitor and your internet connection, you're about to enter the exciting world of online streaming. Using the supplied HDMI cable, connect your box to your TV and simply plug in your ZStream Box to power it up, and you're ready to go. When you turn on your ZStream Box for the first time, there are a couple of things that you need to do. Using your ZStream remote, navigate to the Settings tab on the top of the menu bar. Depending on the TV set or monitor you're connected to, you may need to adjust your TV to optimize your ZStream Box output. Go to the Display tab and you can adjust the screen settings there. Adjust your ZStream Box output so it fits your screen, and that's all there is to it. You may want to check your TV itself to see it's set to normal and not zoomed in before you make any of these adjustments. Once your monitor is set, you can connect your ZStream Box to the internet. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see the Network tab. This is where you'll tell your ZStream Box about your internet connection. If you want to use your in-home Wi-Fi to connect to the internet, you'll select Wi-Fi, and your ZStream Box will search for available connections. Select the one you want and enter your network password, and you're all set. If you choose to use a cable hookup to connect to your router, choose Ethernet and simply plug in your internet cable to the back of your box, and then you're done. Be aware that the faster your internet connection is, the better your ZStream Box will perform, so it's sometimes optimal to use a cable connection for best results. To get the most out of your ZStream Box, you may want to connect it to a Google account. As a full-featured Android device, you can take advantage of the many great games, apps, and tools available through the Google Play Store. Additionally, you can set up the ZStream Box to check and send email through a Gmail account and monitor many other features of your Google Plus account. If you have an existing Google account, you may simply enter the login info into the Google Settings app, and if you don't already have a Google account, it'll guide you through the steps to create one. Now that you have your ZStream Box set up and online, you can check out the pre-installed features of the system. Walk through the menu items and see what's there. Several useful items are already here for you. In online media, for example, is a shortcut to Netflix that you can use to access your Netflix account and view your shows right through the ZStream Box. There are some games to get you started and a built-in media player for playing back your videos. There's also a full-featured internet browser, a YouTube viewer, and much more. Each of these areas can be added to as well. Just go to the Apps tab, and while you're hovering over any item and holding down the center button of your remote, you can assign that item to any menu tab. One of the great features of the ZStream Box is that you can customize it just the way you want. The next feature of the box is the real heart of your new entertainment center. Your ZStream Box comes loaded with Kodi, an extremely robust media center that opens up the world of internet streaming. Open the Kodi tab, and on your main menu, you'll see there are some pre-installed streaming libraries. Check out each one, and you can start to see what a vast variety of entertainment options you have at your fingertips. When you pick a TV show or movie in one of the pre-installed libraries, you'll be prompted to pick a server. Sometimes a server may have excessive traffic, and you may need to simply reload it or select another one to get your selection to play. Kodi comes installed ready to go, but it's also fully customizable. Now that you've set up your ZStream box, you can sit back and choose from the hundreds of thousands of hours of movies and TV shows right at your fingertips. Thanks for joining the ZStream family, and enjoy your ZStream box.